Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna start a new series which I'm gonna call it Classic with Flares. I choose this one a little bit to speak about history, just a brief history about that classic, and I'm gonna choose a little bit a variation, a twist if you like, of that cocktail particularly. And for today I choose my favorite one, which is Negroni. A brief history about this one is the most widely reported version of this drink origin is that it was invented at Caffè Cassoni in Florence, Italy in 1919. Legend tells that Count Camillo Negroni asked his friend bartender Porco Scarselli, hopefully I pronounce alright. If I have any Italian friends, let me know if I mispronounce it, to strengthen his favorite cocktail, the Americano, by replacing the soda water with gin. Scarselli added an orange garnish rather than the lemon you'd usually get with an Americano, and the drink took off. Before long, everyone was coming into the bar for a Negroni. After this, the Negroni family was quick to take the advantage of the cocktail's success too, founding the Negroni distillery in 1919 in Treviso, Italy, where they produces a ready-made version of the drink sold as Antico Negroni. The distillery is still open today under the ownership of a new family. So let's crack on the cocktail. First of all, I need the rocks glass. I'm gonna put it aside to pre-chill it a bit. Mixing glass, I'm gonna pre-chill it. Okay, and let's crack on. So we're gonna start with red vermouth. 30 ml red vermouth, just a normal one. As a gin, I'm gonna use Beefeater, again 30 ml. And of course Campari 30 ml as well. Ice. Don't forget to smile. Now that you saw the Negroni, I'm gonna show you a twist on a Negroni which I really like it, and it's a little bit sweeter, but it's amazing. It's at least for this period, it's a taste that you say that you're tasting like Christmas time. So I'm gonna start with pre-chilling the glass. We're gonna be the same ingredients, but we swap the vermouth with Pedro Jimenez nectar, this bad boy. So we're gonna be still equal parts, but instead of vermouth, we add Pedro Jimenez nectar. Again, gin. Campari. Ice. The same as the garnish, orange peel. And there you go, my twist on Negroni. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Press like, subscribe, hit the bell. It will gonna help me a lot. Don't forget to stay safe, and please, why not share with your friends. Thank you very much. Cheers, guys.